Hi, in front of me I have Fossil Q Wonder, and I'm gonna show you how to enable the power saving mode on this device. Let's start by waking up the screen on our watch. You can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, swipe downwards from the top of the screen to open the quick panel, and then tap on the settings icon to open the settings. In settings, let's scroll down, tap on the option called System, and here we have the option called Battery Saver. And we can enable the power saving mode by tapping on the switch next to Battery Saver, then scroll down and tap on the check mark. Here we have information what the Battery Saver does. Basically, it will turn off features like vibration, location services, Wi-Fi, mobile usage, data and app updates, and always on display. Then tap on the check mark to confirm. As you can see, the screen got a little dimmer and some of the features will be disabled. And you can tell that the battery saver is enabled by this icon right here at the top of the screen. And also, if you open the quick panel, you will see this battery icon changing the color to orange. And to disable the power saving mode, simply open the settings again, scroll down, tap on the system, and tap on the switch to disable it, like this. And that's how you enable the power saving mode on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.